Hey everybody, this is Ed Staten. Are you looking for a way to engage with your website traffic right now? Why not use Facebook Messenger to connect with your customers and site visitors? Well, here's an idea that's right out of the galaxy. According to telecrunch.com, Star Wars has come to Facebook's Messenger app, and Facebook has just announced a new set of Star Wars themed features for Messenger users, including a chat theme, reactions, stickers, and AR effects. The features were developed in partnership with Disney to help promote the upcoming film Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker, which premieres nationwide on December 20th. Both the stickers and the reactions allow users to express themselves using characters from both sides of the Force, says Facebook. For example, you can laugh like Finn, act surprised like Rey, cry like C-3PO, act angry like Kylo, or give BB-8 thumbs up or a stormtrooper thumbs down. Disney also helped to create a set of limited edition AR effects that can be used both while taking photos and selfies or when you're on video calls. One, the Lightspeed Effect, gives the appearance of jumping into hyperspace. Another, the Cockpit Effect, lets you see yourself as a member of the Resistance traveling across the galaxy. And Poe Dameron's X-Wing, the Dark versus Light Effect, lets you choose your side of the Force. There's also a Star Wars chat theme you can enable from the Messenger thread settings, which makes messages appear as if in outer space. You access the settings by tapping the thread's name. Typically, the name or names of those you're chatting with at the top of the screen, unless you or someone else has already renamed the chat. Fans will be happy to know these features are free. I hope that you found value with this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for mentorship and incredible information on online marketing, click the link in the description below this video. Thank you very much.